Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is a Monday, and it's a March 11, 2024. Right now it's already 10:46 p.m. Did not get to it earlier today, but I think this is what I can do. And so first, kind of like want to look at the market move of previous day. I mean today. So last night, overnight, and we can see that market kind of like a start off kind of a bearish, and later it continue. It was an upward move above this 51.98 and 81 level, and later it kind of continued to kind of drop down here, and it's getting really kind of volatile here. If we look at here, this is at like around 4 o'clock, and another one 4:15. So really volatile here, and the thing is it's breaking below this like a 51.83 and 81 level. So and then later kind of when it get to market open, as we know, it gapped down today, and it's a gap down below. This is the zone that I put out here, which is 51.15, and it basically came here and challenged this. It went below here, and basically here there's nothing stop it here, like a 5100. And interestingly, it dropped down to right above this 5090 level, and then from there it seems like it got get some footing, and after 10:30 it did not kind of make a new low, and then keep kind of moving back up, and in a kind of taking a step back and look at it, it actually moved really strong from like 5090 to 5125. That's quite a run. Like we're talking about almost 35 point, more than 30 points move from the bottom to the top here, and I thought that it would close probably right around at this level, and at around 3 o'clock it seems like that's very possible. It could close at this level. However, it seems like market was not able to overcome some like a selling pressure, and it's more like a settling down here. It actually here it even threatened trying to go below this kind of chopping around this low edge of this zone, 51.15, and apparently at the end it was able to overcome and come back above this area and close at 51.17 and 94. So essentially it closed down by about 5 points, and we can say market continued to kind of drop by a notch. And now this will be interesting for tomorrow. So tomorrow the inflation data will be coming out at 8:30, and this closing from the day perspective is pretty positive, and from the bigger picture perspective is it closed below this midpoint, the midpoint of the high and the recent low, which is 56, the middle of that is about like a 51.23. So today it seems that it was not able to say close near there. Well, it kind of a near there, but it's a little bit lower than yesterday. So I would say we shall see. I think that another thing is that I think that the other day that I mentioned that actually there was a little gap here, a very tiny gap here. So which is at like a 51.27 and 97. So we can say it's a 51.28. So that's a gap there. So as we know today, it was not able to go above there. At one point, it seems like it's trying to come back to like a 51.30. Anyway, so market closed down, and the future seems that the future market is a pretty upbeat, and as of right now, it already up like more than 13 points. And what that means is really above this 51.25 level, and to me that means something very very positive, and it's also above this 51.30 level, and of course also right above that gap as well. So it looks pretty bullish to me. And now if say taking back at the bigger picture, so 51, so this level like 51.92 and 81, which is would be corresponding to 51.25 level. And if we look at it, the midpoint 51.23, that would be that midpoint that would be corresponding to 51.90 level. If say it would be interesting to see that where the market will be anchoring itself tomorrow before the inflation data release at 8:30. And sure, the market could have probably more run overnight and turning out pretty upbeat here, and maybe pretty interesting to see that how tomorrow going to play out. I'm just doing some imagination here, and for some reason I just feel like this could be pretty upbeat, but essentially before the open it may stay right around where it is right now, or probably around this 51.92 or 93-ish, around this area. And there would be some possibility, of course there's always that kind of possibility. And if say the market kind of this is the way to suck all the bulls in and trap all of them in, then yeah, tomorrow after the inflation data release, it could very likely to kind of gap below this 51.77 level, which is like a 51.10 level. And for sure, if that's the case, it could easily go further below here. And tomorrow, I think to me is it could easily run to like I say 51.90 level, or it could be aiming at 5200. And yeah, for sure, I think the 51.60 that would be a no-brainer. That's a one scenario it could go, and we could get there and above. And another one would be it could be easily going below this 5090, and even I should say, I would say probably 5080 level, and probably even lower. So we'll see. I would say at least tomorrow it would be either probably going to get to 5080 or 5160 level. So it could be pretty volatile, and I don't think it's going to stay around, continue to stay at this area, and tomorrow likely going to make a decision and have a run. Now let me try to keep it short. And so let's look at the calendar quickly. Tomorrow, so really mainly is all about that 8:30, the inflation data release. Have like a core inflation rate, and later about CPI, and also have red book at 8:55. And then it's about the 1 o'clock is which is the treasury note auctions. 2 o'clock have a monthly budget statement, and pretty much that's it. So pay attention to 8:30 and see how market react like after that, and see how the market open. I guess after the market open tomorrow could be pretty much could be directional, and hopefully it's a kind of straightforward one tomorrow. So with that said, wish you all the best luck, and may the energy be with you all time. Thank you.